Compressibility, softness, and durability are ideal qualities to look for in a high-caliber foam. Rogers BF-1000 extra soft cellular silicone foam offers all these advantages and more. BF-1000 offers extra softness to allow less force to seal enclosures. The silicone's excellent memory and low-stress relaxation reduces maintenance costs from gasketing failures caused by compression set and softening. BF-1000 is a highly flame-resistant material, ideal for sealing outdoor enclosures, protecting electronics from shock and heat, and providing cushioning and vibration isolation. This protects devices from the environment, penetration of dust, moisture, air, or light. The superior vibration isolation and strong seal is commonly used in electronic components, transportation, and HVAC units. At TBP, we have the capability to add an adhesive, custom slit, and die cut BF-1000 to your exact specifications. We hope you enjoyed learning more about Rogers Bisco BF-1000 Extra Soft Silicone Foam. For additional information on this or any other product, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tb-philly-inc-dba-tbp-converting.com. From all of us here at TBP Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.